Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how I got unlimited coins and packs on MadFut 23 guys, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how you can download the mod and generate unlimited resources of the game also. So make sure you're gonna watch this video until the end guys to understand all the steps you need to follow in order to get the mod and generate unlimited resources same as I did it. So I'm going to open the game real quick so you can see that everything works and runs perfectly, and then we'll go immediately to show the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you guys. So as you can see right over here, I'm generating so many of them, and we'll go immediately to show the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you guys. So before we start the loading process of the mod, you need to make a check-in guys, which it means you need to go to settings and then to scroll it down till to the battery over here, and make sure you are not in lower power mode. So this yellow sign here on the top should be always switch off. This will help you the loading process of the mod to be faster and smoother guys. So after completing this checking, you have to get back to the home menu, and then you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use. You need to search for a website called freeinjex.com. So this is the name of the website guys, where you're going to find out the mod. You just need to enter inside of the website, and you are going to face a bunch of other applications inside of the website. A lot of tweaked and modded apps and games, as you can see right over here. I'm scrolling for you. There are so many of them. Later on you can check it by yourself. If you want to get any one of them, you can get it without a problem. I will just go to search in the searching bar. It's more easy to find out the apps and write it down, MadFut 23 mod. So you need to write it down guys. Oops, sorry. Okay, and it says here in description, MadFut 23 mod, get unlimited coins and packs, works on iOS and Android. So all we have to do, you need to press here in the middle guys, and then to press the green sign download now, and to wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of the mod process it from the website to your device. So as you can see guys, the steps are not so difficult, quite simple and easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the end to understand all the steps you need to follow until the end. The mod guys, I have to mention to you that the mod works for the both of devices, iOS and Android devices, and for Android devices are the same steps I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. So practically for the both of devices are the same steps. The next step guys, it will take you to the verification zone, same as it did to me, and it will require to download and complete the instructions below in order to activate MadFut 23 mod on your device. In order to activate the mod on your game, we need to complete the instructions below, which it means you're going to face a couple of apps over here guys, which most of them, they are very popular, well-known apps, so there is nothing to get worried about it. So how it worked for me, practically after I downloaded two of these two apps and I completed the instructions, it started to generate the coins on my MadFut game. So I'm going to show you step by step how I did it guys, so you don't get confused with everything I said before. So practically I chose iOS social calendar, press on it, tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iOS, and in Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So to me, it got connected with my Apple Store as you can see right now, and it shows the sign open because I downloaded before IRL when I got the mod for myself. To you guys, it will show the sign of downloading. So practically all you have to do, you need to press to download the app. After you download the app, you need to open it for a few seconds, at least 30 seconds. It is enough time required that information and data process it from the website to your device. So after completing the first step, I got back to the website. I did the second app, which is Evertail. If you go back to the website, you're going to see Evertail over here and iOS social calendar over here. Also with the Evertail, I did the same steps as I did with the iOS social calendar. I press on it, tap to install. I download it. After I download it, I open also Evertail for a few seconds, and after I complete the second app, it started to generate the coins in my MadFut 23. Just one more tip guys before we finish this tutorial. When you are in the verification zone over here, this doesn't mean that you have to do the same apps as I did it, because probably to some of you maybe will not show up the same apps as I'm showing to you in this tutorial. It can show up different apps because in different countries can show up different apps. So practically all you have to do, you need to try with the apps will show up in your verification zone guys, which one you find more easy and which one you want to do it. As you can see, everything is for free, so there is nothing to get worried about it. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for today guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching guys. Cheers.